In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with Squarespace. If you want to connect your Shopify domain inside Squarespace, this process is actually very straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, we'll move through the exact settings area in Squarespace where you can connect a domain you already own and use it with your setup. To begin, log into your Squarespace account and open the website dashboard for the site you want to work on. Once you're in the main dashboard, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This is where Squarespace keeps most of the site-wide configuration options, including domain management. After the settings menu opens, find and click Domains and Email. This section is where Squarespace lets you manage custom domains, email-related settings, and domain connections. If you're integrating Shopify with Squarespace through a domain, this is the area you need. Next, click on Domains. That will take you into the specific domain management page where you can either buy a new domain, manage an existing one, or connect a domain you already have from another platform. On the Domains page, choose Use a Domain I Own. This option is important because you're not purchasing a new domain through Squarespace here. Instead, you're connecting a domain that is already associated with Shopify. Once that field appears, paste in your Shopify domain. Make sure the domain is entered correctly with no extra spaces or typing mistakes. Even a small error can cause the connection to fail or point to the wrong destination, so it's worth taking a second to double check what you've pasted. After entering the domain, click Connect Domain. This tells Squarespace that you want to begin the setup process for linking that existing domain to your site. Depending on your setup, Squarespace may take a moment to verify the domain details. Finally, click Connect Domain again to confirm. This completes the connection request and starts the process of integrating the domain into your Squarespace setup. Once you've done that, keep in mind that domain changes don't always happen instantly. In some cases, it can take a little time for the connection to fully update across the web. So if you don't see the change right away, give it some time and then check again. And that's it. That's how to integrate Shopify with Squarespace by connecting your existing Shopify domain inside Squarespace.